Hey, so welcome to Snackventures episode 4. We're talking about homemade salsa today. We're doing this differently because we're on vacation. Right, so the first location I went to actually didn't have fresh produce. I fixed that by going to the next door location, and they actually had exactly what I was looking for. They had tomatillo, they had red tomatoes, they had jalapeno, they had red peppers, they had everything. So I grabbed all that stuff and went to town. Took all those ingredients home and I put them in the oven. Super easy. You get the skin crackling or blackened, and you have your salsa ingredients ready. Now, I also added a roasted garlic to this, which I'd seen a lot of online. I figured it'd be a nice chance to try. Stay tuned for more episodes and comment down below if you have any questions or if you'd like to see different stuff that we haven't done yet. Thanks. Bye.